masoor dal, tur dal, millet, ragi, red and white chickpeas and more different varieties of pulses starting with a price of nearly 4 dirhams and that too for 1 kg. And not only that, it's continuing with almonds, badam, pista, etc. unbeatable and affordable pricing in the nuts section. These all are part of nuts and pulses promotion happening for this weekend at Sharjah Muwaila Safari Hypermarket. Nothing is ending here. Another promotion for this weekend happening at Safari Bakery is Chicken Fest, followed by Safari's ever special weekend offers. So time to explore. Come. The highlighted promotion happening here for this weekend is nuts and pulses promotion. Here we can see some of the best deals in the nuts section. Mixed energy premium nuts for 500 gram. The offer price is only 17.50 dirhams. Another walnut USA for 500 gram. The offer price is coming only 17.75 dirhams. Another one is almond plain, which is a hot deal happening here, 11.75 dirhams for 500 gram. In the pulse section, if we see masoor dal for 1 kg, the offer price is coming only 5.50 dirhams. Another one is ragi 1 kg, the offer price is only 4 dirhams. In the bakery and hot food section, a hot and delicious fest is happening named Chicken Fest. The best deal in this promotion is assorted grilled chicken half piece set. The offer price is only 9.50 dirhams. And also spicy chicken, grilled chicken, lemon and garlic chicken, etc. Many variety dishes are arranged here as part of this promotion. Three days best deal in the grocery section starting from February 25th till 27th. 5 kg Patanjali whole wheat flour. The offer price is just 10 dirhams. 36 dirhams priced 4 liter Shuruk sunflower oil on February 26th and 27th. You can avail for just 26.75 dirhams. 2 days best deal on February 26th and 27th. The offer price for Eastern coconut oil 1 liter is only 10 dirhams. 12.50 dirhams priced 900 gram Sarah frozen chicken for this weekend. You can get at a price of just 8.50 dirhams. 18 dirhams priced Nadak vegetable milk 1 liter into 4 pieces. Now the offer price is only 11.75 dirhams. The offer price for Snow White egg large 30 pieces starting from February 25th till 27th is only 13.75 dirhams. Grab the best deal in the vegetable section. 1 kg onion India, which was 3.50 dirhams. For this weekend, you can get at an offer price of just 2 dirhams. 6.75 dirhams priced 1 kg ginger India. Now the offer price is only 3 dirhams. 400 ml Nivea body lotion for 2 pieces. The offer price is only 24.75 dirhams. Opalware dinner plate only 5 dirhams for 2 pieces. Travolic hard spin trolley 1, 2, 3 and 4. The offer price for this 4-piece set is only 219 dirhams. Hot deal is happening in the home appliance section for this weekend. 9 kg Nikkei front load washing machine. The offer price is only 1049 dirhams. Another deal happening here, Olsen Mark double gas burner. The offer price is only 95 dirhams. So enjoy your shopping with Safari for this weekend. Safari world-class shopping experience.